Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 26th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So the Euro Yen has been a very sideways pair lately, but it definitely looks to me like impulsive downbreaker structure. Then it looks like ABC up, and then instead of continuing the downtrend, what it looks like it's doing is making like an ABC down, which means it's probably going to go back up and retest all these highs. Maybe retest the 78% before it really does end up continuing down for either a wave C or a wave 3, because I would definitely call this either an A or 1. I would call all this very sideways at price action, either a wave B or a wave 2. Luckily, we trade an ABC exactly the same as that 1, 2, 3, at least until you get into that third wave. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, if we get a breaker structure to the upside, then that probably is going to indicate that we are going to go up and grab these highs like I was talking about on the 4 hour time frame. If it makes a lower high, then maybe it will keep on pushing down to grab some of this liquidity before it goes up. We just have to keep in mind that the weekly trend is up, the daily trend is up. Shorter time frames, the trend is our friend, especially on those higher time frames. So our primary focus definitely still should be looking for longs every single chance we get. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.